vlog number 9, and I'm editing vlog number 8 actually right now. But I decided to start my vlog early. It's actually still night, so the night before, because honestly, I have been forgetting to vlog. Um, and it's not even really that I've been like totally absent minded of it. I've just been like working. So it's like my little times in between, I just want to hurry up and get stuff done. And I don't really think about, recording because I'm just trying, like, in a rush. So I thought the best way to do that would be to start the vlog off the night before after I finish editing that previous vlog. So yeah, I'm just here chilling. I got home not too long ago. I ate dinner. Now, edited and stuff. And now I am just chillaxing. Um, yeah, I got my candle lit. Little candle over there burning. Yep, that's my little cup. That's a picture of me from high school, and I got my Bible over there too. Yeah, so, oh yeah, and my rosemary. Yeah, I'm just vibing. Kind of like to unwind, like I always like to have either oil burning or my candle lit and just kind of chill, decompress after a long day, and just try to get my mind centered. Because when you're out in the world, sometimes you can forget to just breathe. Honestly, you just go, 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 and you forget to just like relax and calm your mind. So that's what I try to do at night. I also have a very hard time falling asleep. My mind is always racing, so I find that it really helps me to keep like a nicely scented candle. I always, you have to put it out before you go to sleep. Do not go to sleep with any candles burning. Okay? PSA. Yeah. So that's about it for right now. I'll check in with you guys tomorrow and continue the vlog from there. Okay? Good morning, guys. It is the next day. I just got finished getting dressed to head out. I didn't take my headscarf. I'm sorry, I keep looking at myself. I'm trying to get used to not looking at myself. It's one of the things I'm working on. But it is kind of a gloomy day. It's not as bad as yesterday. I just put some edge control, so it might look super shiny right here. Yeah, anyways, I'm about to get the day started. I hope you guys are really enjoying the holiday season. I really, really love Christmas. I don't know if I ever said that, but I love Christmas. I love the air in Christmas season. I love decorations. I just love the feeling that you get, like, I don't know. I've spent most of my Christmases in my adult life working. Um, but I don't know. It's just something around Christmas time that just gets me going, you know? Anyway, let me go do I'm just gonna put a headband on. As you guys know, I have um, the boho locks. So I'm just gonna put a headband on and keep it moving. I have like my Goodwill t-shirt on, some sweats, and that's about it. I don't know if I'm gonna get to do any shopping today or anything like that. Most likely just gonna go to work and come home today. Oh my gosh. Look how nice my lips look. I've been putting the oil on my lips. I put the rose hip oil, and then I put my Carmex on. Yeah. It's been making my lips like really, really soft. All right. Once again, holiday ball. These are cute. Don't quit. It's a little planner book thing. That's so cute. A little stocking stuffer. You're doing great. Write your story. Agenda. That's cute. I should get a coloring book. I'm such a big kid. I love coloring books. I still love coloring books. I used to have Barbie. Oh, they have crossword puzzles. Things I loved as a kid. Puzzle books, coloring books. You have to push it the top of your head all the way upon it. You
Yeah,
see.
man. You shoulder with the bar. No, shoulder with the bar. Yeah, make shoulder with the bar with the foot. Yeah. Top of your head, man. That's it. And lift your chest. And lift your chest.
Close enough. Yeah, you have to press. You
Yeah,
have
that's
to.
a press against it.
I just got home. It's raining. I don't know if you guys could see from the clips that from before. It was so gloomy out, and you could tell that it was about to start raining. But I'm here. I'm having some chicken foot soup. It's a Caribbean thing, I think. Actually, didn't Cardi B or somebody Cardi B posted on Instagram or something like that of her eating chicken foot? I clearly remember something like that, but yeah, it's a Caribbean thing. Let me show you. Yeah, not the best lighting, but there it is. That's the chicken foot. So good. Anyway, so I'm about to grub on that. It's kind of like the best thing to have on a rainy, kind of cold day. It doesn't really get, it's not really too cold, but it's definitely not warm. And it's, you have to go outside with a sweater or a jacket. You can't just go outside and just like a t-shirt or something like that. So I'm definitely gonna take a shower, wind down, have my soup, and call it a night. I'm probably gonna watch some movies. Excuse me, edit the vlog for today. And that's about it. I already posted. Yeah, I already posted today's vlog. Vlog number 8 should be up and running by now. And so, I'm going to tell you guys what's not. I'm sorry, and I did want to apologize. I'm sorry that the vlogs are so short, but let me tell y'all something. It is very freaking hard to vlog every day and post every day. So I definitely commend those people who have 20 minutes or longer vlogs and who've been doing this for years, year after year after year. Vlogmas. It is very hard work. and you have to be really committed to it, and you have to be super, super focused. And like I said, I commend people who have vlogs over 15 minutes. I don't want to say 20 minutes, but 15 minutes and more per vlog every single day. Listen, y'all doing a damn thing, okay? So, all right. Anyway, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.